I believe in myself and my dreams. I'm worthy of success and happiness. I have the power to create my ideal life. Every day, I am getting closer to my goals. My dreams are manifesting into reality. I trust the timing of my life. I'm open to receiving miracles and unexpected blessings. I'm going after my dreams with passion and purpose. I deserve greatness and achieve great things. I can seize life's opportunities that come my way. I am fearless and confident. I recognize my own power and use it to shape my life. I'm a warrior, strong, resilient, and brave. I can do this. I can do anything I set my mind to. I'm deserving of all my dreams and desires. I'm blessed, and I attract even more blessings. I am courageous, even when things are challenging. I choose what I become. I am in charge of my destiny. I am focusing on my dreams and what truly matters. I control my own destiny and make my own choices. I am motivated and filled with positive energy. I can remain focused on my goals with ease. I am tough enough to handle any challenges. My determination is great and unshakable. I attract success and prosperity through my efforts. I am capable of achieving all of my goals and fulfilling my dreams. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and success. I take inspired action every day to manifest my goals. I have an unwavering belief in my abilities. I attract abundant opportunities that propel me forward. I'm resilient and persistent in the pursuit of my dreams. I have a growth mindset and constantly learn new things. I celebrate each step of my journey and every victory. I attract loving and supportive relationships into my life. I am deserving of love and have healthy, fulfilling relationships. I am surrounded by positive, uplifting people who support me. I'm worthy of deep, authentic connections with others. I attract harmonious relationships based on mutual respect and trust. I radiate confidence and positivity everywhere I go. I handle whatever comes my way with grace and strength. I'm in charge of my life and my choices. I align my actions with my goals and my purpose. I wake up each day excited to pursue my dreams. I attract wealth, health, and happiness into my life. I deserve to live a joyful and abundant life. I choose faith over fear in every situation. I am grateful for how far I have come and excited for what's ahead. I overcome any obstacle that arises. I inspire myself and others with my passion and determination.